Good morning, everyone. This is Nilangshu this side. So, as we know, today's topic is on open source intelligence, which is OSINT. So nowadays, we all know that we have some privacies over our open world, but still, there are some loopholes that hackers can manage to gather data in online purpose or any unethical purpose. So for that reason, I'm just gonna share some screenshot like that, so you can just look at what you guys have on OSINT programs. Okay, now I'll also show you some just private datas and public datas also, but not the confidential datas. Let me share the screen. Okay, so as you can see, this is a Telegram bot. Okay, so this is a Truecaller bot, Truecaller Z bot. So actually, what it does that if you search on Truecaller, it also you can see that what's his name or not. You can see, but in Truecaller bot, you can see his or her past names, like what he left his past name. Like if I search for my other number 83880. Okay. So by for an example, I'm just giving my own phone number. Okay. So in Truecaller, it will just show you the name and maybe some approximate location, and that's all. But in Truecaller's bot, you can see his. This is my deleted number. Okay, this is my deleted number. As you can see here, it is says not found. Yes, it's already deleted. The carrier was Reliance Zero. Yes, that's true. Location is West Bengal. Also true. But look, unknown says Kamar Edilangshu KMAE. Okay, so this means that it is related to somewhere. Okay, so Truecaller is actually a, just as an app, but actually it's leaking out all data. Like as you can see somewhere also some other things we can do. Like if we search for and someone's mail or someone's photo or anything, then we can go for EPOs. As you all know that nowadays we have the capability to find someone's phone name using the mail ID. So for that reason, we can search the reverse engineering method, and for normally we can search for the EPOs. In EPOs, we can see. Let me check for mine. This is my mail ID. Hilanshu 1998 gmail.com. Okay, and I go for search. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, as you can see that my mail ID that there are some breaches. Okay, some data breaches, like four data breaches are found. I also show you that how to find those breaches. And now you can see my mail DP. Yes, my name, my ID, my Google location maps. That what where I went. What? Uh, okay. Look. These are the reviews. Okay. These are the photos, as you can see. So everything is there. Now If we search for another data, that okay, the mail ID is found in 10 websites like Academy Edu, Firefox.com, Adobe for Photoshop, like Dropbox for storage, Gravatar, Pixart, Pinterest, and other things too. Okay, now the main thing is comes to Rocket Reach. Rocket Reach is actually a thing that we can do it for like searching in an organization, in a LinkedIn URL, and anything, or the job titles also. If I can search for ISOH, or if I search for a Google, then look, these are the peoples, and they have their Gmail ID, Google.com ID, etc. Look, the website, the ticket number, revenue, their employees, and many more things. Look, so these are the mail IDs. If we search for, actually this is the organization mail ID. Okay, so we can't reverse engineering on organization mail ID, and these are the main. This is the main thing that this is the Persian like a chart. As you know, OSINT is a framework like this. So this is the main thing that it is scraping from that. So usernames, mails, domain names, and other things too. So now, if we search for the contact info, look, we got their mail ID, we got their Gmail ID also. Okay. So this is like nowadays the data are all everywhere. You are just a thing that you have to search for. Now I have to search for Gmail. Now look one thing that if we if we go to the Gmail account, okay, new mail account, okay. So how to know that what his device is, okay? But we have to know their device name, device model name. Then we have to go for the Gmail section. Now we have to just put the Gmail or phone number, anything like that. So if I'm not wrong, I'm putting someone's. Okay, okay. Now, if I go for forward password, try another way, try another way. Okay. Now we got the last two digits phone number. As you can see, the last two digits phone number. The first thing we got here, that the last two digits phone number. Now, if we do one more thing, like if you know their phone number, then we can do something. Let me show you. Okay, I just put that phone number and look, there's notification gone to the phone. And if I try another way, okay, maybe this is not valid. If I go for mine, okay, try again. Someone's mail ID like random. Mm, okay, Now we have to just do some capture things. Next, and the last password, I don't remember the password, just random password I typed. Then, okay, from here we just found something. It is look like, let me show you. Now look into it. There must be possible of 3 digits, so maybe home. Now here, Gmail. If we search for Gmail, Gmail. If you search for Yahoo, Yahoo. Redifmail, Rediff. Okay, so something is there, like the 3 or the 4 digits. It means 7 digits. You can do a chat GPT on that. Okay, next try another way. Okay, not possible. So if we search for a random mail ID, if we do a few times a forgot password, then we can show the device ID, device name. That we are sending a notification on that device named this. So that is a search, reverse search on a Gmail ID. And more of the thing, if we search for someone's someone is messaging me on Telegram or anything like that, and we have to know their username, the previous username that they were using. Then we have to do one thing, just go to some other bot. This is a bot that you can search here in Telegram search bar, Shan Mata. So there are three or few bots. Make sure that you are selecting the beta bot. Then to start and just do some random like look. There is a guy named Ivan. We don't know what was his previous username was. So you can just type here. Just copy their username and type it. Okay. Okay, to certify their ID. Wait. Okay, we have to search by their ID. The thing is not available in computer. Okay, to do it via yes, via my phone. Just look into it. That's some other bot. I'm just searching someone's random name. Okay, like a Shishu. I found someone, the Shishu. And if we search for someone's look, this is the user ID. If I use yes, user ID, and this is the user names. Okay, the previously that they were using these names on the timestamp and etc. Now we could find someone's phone number using some Telegram bots. Let me show you one thing that we can also yes. Okay. Now you can search their Telegram IDs, their WhatsApp IDs, and etc. via their phone numbers only. Like if I search for 6290045778. This is my phone number, and this is my WhatsApp. Yes, this is that open my WhatsApp, and this is my Telegram. Okay. Directly, you can just tap here to communicate with them directly. Also, we have some OSINT frameworks, like as usual, that some tools are there like Mantigo and other tools. But normally we search in these things for the higher non false positives. And if we go for, let me show you one thing, OSINT framework. As you guys already know that OSINT framework is a free tool, okay, for the gathering resources from everywhere. Now OSINT framework. Now you can search for email ID, username, domain name, IP MAC, images, photos, docs, etc. If you go for username, then username and name search engines. Now what's my name, name check, and other things. User search.org. Now if we search for monster in search, okay, search term for monster, found in Dailymotion. Okay, so found in Dailymotion. What's my name? What's my name? Look at us up. Everything is there. Check usernames. You can also go for it. Let it open. Let it open. Now you can just search for other things like the phone numbers and the usernames too. Now that's them. I don't know if it's opening or not. Maybe my Wi-Fi issue. Yes, this is a Wi-Fi issue. Just a sec. Okay. Yes, we can search for names like my name. If I search for my name, then most of it should go for Nangshu Machi. Yes. City or zip, I know my zip. 712. Okay. Let's see what I found. Okay. See the premium result. Okay. This is the premium result. Okay. So we can't just go into the profile. We have to just take the premium usernames and also just, check username. It will take some time and then it will search for the whole network that it will find my username for over 300 websites. It will just take some time. Processing, as you can see, everything is processing. And it will it will take some time, obviously. But mainly the things are that you can search. Let me note down some points. You can search via their phone number or email ID. Next, we can search the previous usernames, previous username of Telegram, and other things we can do that. Yeah, previous original names, previous original names in the Truecaller. one more thing that you can just type your phone number in Truecaller bot, and sometimes it will show their last time it was used. Make sure the last time is it was used means the last call they had. Okay, the phone number, the last call they had on their phone, that is the last time they used section. Okay, so you can just blindly tell that this time that you got a call. Yes, that will be right. Because every time when a call comes or going, then at the time that there is some pop-up notification of Truecaller that the name is coming, the person name is, etc. So this is the main thing. Always remember that. Okay, the next thing we can search for usernames. Search for usernames of from 300 websites at once. Okay, next we found. Okay, next we found that the organization. We can search anyone's organization and check their revenue, check their like how many employees are working there, their mail IDs, their contact numbers, and etc. So for that we can search for Rocket Reach, as I saw here that you can go for Rocket Reach, and you can just tap on someone's normally someone's, yes, view and respond link form. Hold a sec. Okay, I'm just running out of some timing maybe. That's yes. Okay, so by that we can just look six phone numbers found. Okay. So just we can search. We can search their whole search whole operation. Search whole operation and collect important info. Okay. Now also make sure that if you are using these types of OSINT on your bad purpose, this will be illegal. Okay. So next we have found that they have their in LinkedIn, and from here we also can check, confirm. Okay. So if you go for someone's LinkedIn, okay, yes, LinkedIn, and there is some plugin called Kendo plugin. Okay, if we go for Kendo plugin, look, okay, it's my bad. It is only available for Chrome maybe. Yes, Firefox. We added it. Okay, done. Now go to their profile. Here, we go to their profile. Okay, Why it's not opening? It must. Okay. Okay. Next thing I can do someone's other username or other mail IDs or other profile. Mm, okay. I have someone's name like Dharti Bimali. If we just hold, look here. Okay. Mm, now let me find that the mail ID. Okay. I will have to find the mail ID. From there, we have to find their last phone numbers. From there, we can search the device ID and everything. Let me show you. Like I have to find someone here. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the guy Mohammed Aslam. Now loading information that you can see on the right side. Okay, LinkedIn. Okay, now we have to go for someone's. Okay, Mohammed Aslam. Okay, now it should show something. Loading. I logged in already. But I don't know what's the problem. Email verification, my candidates. No. Okay. Okay. Circumstance, right? Now we have to just we have to do one thing. We have to just go for my LinkedIn. Now, now I go for someone sees the profile name like Balaji Pradhan. Okay. Now, as you can see that why every time the pop-up is opening. No, the same thing is happening every time. There must be some issues with the plugin. Every time I logged in and every time it logged out automatically. Okay, like that we can just gather the um, Gmail or phone number from here, and we have to just copy. After that, we have to go for add account. Now, if we found someone's mail ID, like if I go for, if I found the mail ID like mine, is my mail ID. After that, we don't know their name, we don't know the passwords. Okay, so that time after that, try another way. Enter password or user key. I typed some random, but still, yes, this is a fully protected account. If we are facing that, then we have to go for EPOS. Make sure the EPOS is the most powerful nowadays. EPOS. This is the most powerful thing ever. So we have to search from here. Okay. From here we can search some breaches. If we some we have to find some breaches like have I been pawned? Have I have I been pawned? So this is a site. From here we can search if we have any other like any data breaches or not, any mail ID. So if we search for my own mail, Lamshu, look, there is a whole breaches. There are the whole breaches. The first thing was 123RF. This is stock photo website. The data which are found. Next, Canva. Okay, the data was provided to HI by a source who requested to have attributed Jim Scott. Proton mail. Okay, the Canva sit 0 day combo list posted on Telegram. Okay, so these are the things that mainly the problem is the data breaches. Now, as you can see, combo list posted on Telegram in May 2024. I mean recently, 2 billion rows of data with 361 million unique email addresses were collected from malicious Telegram channels. The data contained 122 GB across 1.7K files with mail address, username, passwords, and in many cases the website they were entered into. Okay, so you know that compositors are like you can see that email addresses, passwords, and username. So every day there are some breaches are happening every day. You can see here the collection of one accounts. Let me show you. Look, in January 2019, a large collection. Okay. So everything, recently added breaches, MSpy, and other things. Combo is posted on Telegram. Look, everything is there. In June 2024, a huge trove of data from spyware maker MSpy was obtained by activists and published online, comprising of 142 of GB of user data and support tickets, along with 176 GB of more than a half million attachments. The data contained 2.4 million unique email addresses, IP addresses, names, and photos. The data was predominantly supported tickets seeking help to install the spy or target devices. Look, the spy companies is getting hacked. Okay, Facebook accounts. Can you imagine? In April 2021, a large data set of about 500 million Facebook users was made freely available for download. Look, okay. So everything is hacking. Verification.io. In February 2019, the email addresses validation service verification.io suffered a data breach. Discovered by Bob and Finky Winnie, the breach was due to data being stored in a MongoDB instance. So most probably the things are like you are just storing your data in a non-secure server or unsecured websites. So these are the main problems where data breaching are happening. And from there, the public's private data are getting leaked for public data, being a normal public data. So from there, we just collected some infos. Like if you search for EPOs and what the things are coming from. Like the things are coming from their database. Okay. So everything is collected to the database. Now if we search for here, this is the Kendo plugin, okay. If we search for the ISOEH data securities, look, look. So these are the main things as these are the main guys. We can even show their look, their whole data. And also you can search for phone verification data, phone numbers verified. So like my phone number, you can search for is 290. Okay, you can search for plus 91 plus 916290457673. Okay, credit process valid. Yes. Now look, the country it's sold. Okay, the country it's sold already. As you can see here, the country. Okay, India. My candidates, my leads, and everything you can search for. Search from here. The email verification you can search for some email verification. Like my mail ID is around some years ago or not. Yangshu Marji 98. Okay. Okay. It is paid version. Okay. Then you can search for Instagram search. Like I search for support Modi. Okay. Nothing is there. Anything like that. We can also enrich. Okay, look, we got their numismatical Latin, their places like Vonisher, Orisha, industry of information technology, social, funded, and everything. We can go for it is actually connecting the database to this account. Okay, next integration. This is the integrations that we have. Also, have the API keys. You can use that API keys to integrate it into some Telegram accounts, some Telegram bots, some Facebook bots, and anything like that. Okay, so these are the main things. Also, you can search for some domain search like something. Okay, like look. So from here and there, from somewhere from some normal websites, we just got someone's mail ID, someone's phone number, and another things too, like someone's private mail ID, okay, someone's phone number, and someone's location, And what we found before, my, their post. This. So just finding some Google, doing some Google things, and we just found their mail ID, their phone number, and their other things too. They like their LinkedIn also. Everything we found, everything from the LinkedIn. We could find some other things too. Their connection info, about everything. Their Gmail, Google. Look, okay. So this is normal in Google Doc that it is searching the ISOEH and scrapping the name Chandan Roy. Okay. So it is just scrapping a Google Doc. Done. Then it just found some LinkedIn ID, the company profile, the again LinkedIn, the company and everything. Okay. So from here you can do anything. Like look, we got it from Rocket Reach also. And what we found? Okay. Their Instagram we found. Also from here we can also reverse into someone's Instagram, Facebook ID and cross check their phone numbers or cross check their mail IDs also. Like if we go for if you think Facebook, okay, then to go for forward password. Now here, if we write my mail ID, oh, sorry, 690457673. Okay, search. There's my account. Yes, this is my account. Now we have password. Now I need to try another way. Look what I found. The whole phone number and the mail ID is in front of that. This is in and the phone number in front of the suffix is 20. From here we also just guess some their phone numbers or mail IDs. And also for Instagram, we can just do hacker. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. Okay, there must be some error. Okay, okay. That we have to find some mail IDs from here. That we can now show margin98 at the gmail.com. There's some issue with my Wi-Fi mastery. There's some issues. Okay, leave it here. And also we can try for Facebook, Instagram. So what we found from that, Facebook plus Instagram. From here we can find their phone number, and its last two digits. Sorry, last two digits. And next, like what I found, phone number, their mail ID, and the mail ID will be like M start start direct start. So this is the format. Okay. So like here when in name Nilanshu, then the Gmail and then .com. So like this are happening. Next we have to go for let me show something. Nilanshu Manshi. Okay. Also from here have I been found? Have I been found? From here we can count the main breaches coming from breaches, password breaches like password, usernames, and others like password, username, and timestamps. Okay, so everything you can find from here. Okay, so this is the main. Okay, yes, this is the main Have on site. You can just type your phone number or phone, not only phone number, your email ID, and you can just search via its whole database. EPOs, as I told you guys, that EPOs is the tool that we have to go for phone number, mail ID, reverse lookup. Check username. Maybe my activists know that for that reason, but for check username, if we search for someone's username, it will just check for the 300 popular websites. Okay. Next, user search. User search will show you that what the username you are searching for, and it will search for everywhere. Kendo. Kendo is some plugin for Chrome, Firefox, and any other things too. It is actually normally a plugin that will gather someone's LinkedIn phone number, LinkedIn mail ID from their account, and you can just that you can reverse engineering on their mail ID or phone number. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys know what to do right now. Make sure you are doing everything in your own perspective. No black hat hacking like this. These are the open source things, and OSINT means actually open source intelligence. So make sure you are that using everything in an official format. Okay. If anyone have any question, they can ask me right now. Also, one more thing I have to show you. Sorry, then. This is the OSINT framework. You all know that OSINT framework. Right from here, we can search from dark web, general info, Reddit deep web, Reddit audience, Reddit darknet, torch search, look the onion cab, even everything is there. I don't know the site is open or not. The candle, not able. No, these are the main onion site. You can see these are the onion sites. Dot to web. I'm not sure it will work. Yes, it will not. iCard administration. This is the dark web investigation support. That if you have anything leaked on your tape database, your private things on dark web, then you can just contact with them. This is the ICAR, dark web investigation support. Like you can search for trackable links to look. Everything is there. ICAR. Okay. Next, the digital currencies, the terrorism and everything. Global terrorism database. Look, the global terrorism database. If we search for India, see, okay, see, institutes what crime, country, search corridor, look, GTID, GTTID date, last, it happened in 2020 in India, Sangam, okay, injured one police officer, a businessman, Srinagar, 2020, military, look, everything is there. Attack type, you can search the attack types, look, armed dasher, bombing, explosion, everything is there. So this is the open source everything. You can just openly search anything on Google. Next, okay. So it's in the program here. Hmm. If anything, anyone have any questions, then you can ask me. I'll wait for few seconds, few some minutes.